Welcome back. It's surprising and shocking. Murugao municipality's official website has not been updated since the past 2 years. The site was last updated in 2010. Moreover, it still shows outdated info about the local MLA, chairperson and even the municipal chief officer. Much of the info provided on the website seems fictitious. Watch Surendra Madkekar's report.
It still might be a long journey for Murugao municipality to be e-savvy in the era of Facebook and e-governance. This is the Murugao Municipal Council's official website. Have a look. This website has not been updated since past 2 years. The last update was in the year 2010. The official website lacks important updates like the information about current MLA of Wasco. Surprisingly, the information about the current chairperson and the chief officer has not been updated. We tried to ask the chairperson of Murugao, Sarita Palkar, on the website, and shockingly she was unaware of any such official website of the municipality.
Murugao नगरपालिकेचे नगराध्यक्ष आसा तुमका खबर आसा मुरगांव नगरपालिकेची वेबसाइट बीन आसा म्हणून कितें खबर आसा ना कांयच खबर ना कोणेच तुमका अशें बीन गायड करूंक ना तुमचे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आहा तेजेर तुमचे कमेंट्स बीन घालपाक जाय बीन म्हणून ना केन्नाच ना कोणीच ना गायड करूंक तुमची म्युनिसिपालिटीची ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आसा तेजेर फाटल्यान 2010तल्यान अजून पासून ती अपडेट जाल्लेली ना तेजेर तुमका कितें सांगपाक जाय तुमचे जे स्टाफ आसा ते इतले लिथार्जीक आसा काय कितें कामा कडेन हलगर्जीपणा करता काय कितें
मातशें स्टाफान म्हाका इन्फॉर्म केलें कितें तरी हें करूंक जाता आसलेलें न्हू.
We also inquired with the chief officer Agnel Fernandez, but he seems confused in his reply.
When it is updated last
I do not know. I have to check it to see when it was last updated, but I think it was updated something about 2 months back.
It is not updated since last 2010.
I do not know. I have not checked it. I only seen the complaints that I have received there. I go on the website, I see what complaints are, accordingly I give it. But as far as the updation is concerned, I think you are right because even my name is not figuring there.
On official website, there is no plastic in Marmugao zone has been declared. Why the plastic has been not banned in municipal and plastic is being used?
That's an unfortunate part that we have to start banning now. It will implement it. Hopefully, with coming Sapta, I think we will try to do it.
That's not all. The website claims that the port town has been declared plastic free, while Wasco cars witness the ugly scenes of plastic bottles and carry bags along the city roadside. Our reporter in Wasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Kudchar cars are facing a lot of risk and trouble due to open gutters along the roadside near the railway station. The gutter has been left open since the past 2 months. When questioned, municipality pointed fingers at the PWD, saying the department has to supervise the works, though it's in the municipal jurisdiction. Have a look.
Have a look. This area is under the jurisdiction of Kuchere municipality. Here is a motorcycle stand close to the railway station. And here lies the problem. Have a look at this gutter. It's left open from past 2 months following pre-monsoon work. But the misery is, the gutter is posing threat to the commuters. Many bike riders, commuters, even children have been victims of this open gutter. Locals say such incidents are frequent.
आणि हितूंक हांगा बस स्टँड आशिल्ले कारणान लोक येवपाक वताना कितलेशे लोक ह्या खळयां पडले आनी ही म्हायती जेन्ना आमी सीओक दिली तेन्ना जवळ जवळ म्हयन्यान 1.5 म्हयन्यान हांगा थोडे फातरी घातले आनी थोडे आतां ओपन दवरले कडेन आहा आनी आजुनूय ओपन आहा आनी अशें हांगा ओपन आशिल्ले कारणान आजुनूय हांगा उदक भरता आनी ह्या उदका भितर कितलेशे लोक हांगा पडटात हें कितें आतां जाता तितले बेगीन हें निवळ करचें आनी हांगा फातरी घालून घेवच्यो
1-1.5 म्हयनो पयलीं चावड्डे बाजाराच्यो ज्यो फुटपाथ ज्यो आसात त्यो काडून सायडी उडयले कडेन आसा आनी ज्यो काही तितूंत बरे फुटपाथ घातले कडेन आसा आनी त्यो गटारी ओपन जाले कडेन आसा ते दुर्गंधी सगळे गटाराचे सगळ्या लोकांक त्रास जाता आनी थंय मोटरसायकल भाडी मारपाचे पायलट आनी रिक्षेचे बळे थंय आसतात आनी थंय रेल्वे स्टेशनार तेकोनूच आनी तो भर वस्तीत हो गटार ओपन आसा भर बाजारांत वस्तीत आनी थंय रेल्वे स्टेशनार काही बसी त्यो धाबा शिरोड्या वचपाच्यो बसी थंय बस स्टॉप आहा थंय बसी थांबतात काही 2 मिनटां आनी थंय बसी लागून थंय लोक रावले आसतात आनी लोकांकय ते खूब जनतेक त्रास जाता.
The authorities had assured to cover the gutter following complaints, but till now no action has been initiated.
गटाराची पळय हांव फातरी आसात त्यो गटारे विकल्या 2 म्हयने जाले फातरी अजून पडोनात तेच्या 8 फातरी घालून घेतल्या तरी आमी 2-4 फावटी आमदारा फुडें केले आमदारा सांगून ह्यो फातरी थंय घालून घेतल्यो बाकी फातरी तेणें करपा लायल्या म्हूण सांगलें आमकां ती अजून फातरी घालूनात लोक ते फातरीचे पडटा.
We contacted the chief officer of Kuchere, Agnel Fernandez. He says it's PWD's job.
Cleaning of the train, public trains, gutters, त्यो public जो PWD चो आम्ही त्यांचे नदरे हाडले 30th of April 2012 हांवें तेंचे एक लेटर रिटर्न लेटर दिवन दिल्ले हिंगा सगळे त्यो गटर्स ट्रेन्स क्लीन कराय म्हणून आज पासून आय एम नॉट सॅटिस्फायड विथ देअर वर्क तर असा 2 रिमाइंडर केले आता फाली 2 दीस पयलीं म्हाका PWD इंजिनियर येवन म्हाका मेळ्ळा ते सांगला आमी आता काम कवायस कोताय म्हणून.
Our reporter in Kuchere, Mayur Naik.
Here now is a quick look at some happenings in Salsette.
Madgaon Municipality Councillor Gonzaco Rebello is irked as L&T has laid underground power cables through the major train which caters to 6 places. Councillor claims that such underground cabling could lead to fatal accidents and danger to commuters.
सध्या आमगे 100 अडीच्यान उदक येता आनी उदक वचपा एकू आउटलेट आहा ती चोई आनी पावसा ब्लॉक जाता आमगे स्लॅपा वयल्यान आख्खी L&Tन मागीर रिलायन्स मागीर सगळे केबल घायले मोबायलाचे.
The construction work for a football ground stand at Raya under MPLAD fund has come under scanner. The construction has developed cracks. Sarpanch of Raya, Rumal Gonsalves, says he has informed the concerned contractor to stop the work. Punch member Xavier Fernandez informed us more.
हांगा जो काम चल्ला ये न्यू स्टँडाचे हिंगा व्हडले क्रॅक्स डेव्हलप जाल्या हॉरिझॉन्टल क्रॅक्स येयल्या सगळे स्टँड सकल सान 1, 2, 3, 4 स्टँड्साक व्हडल्यो क्रॅक येयल्या.
Former councillor of Madgaon Municipality, Ramdas Hazare, has alleged that the developmental work carried out in Fatodda by the PWD is without any proper care. He claims that the culvert is being built without the curing of concrete and may not withstand the pressure of heavy traffic flow. Former councillor also informed that the water pipeline has leakages at various places along the Bodda roadside and PWD has failed to stop the wastage of water.
ते डेव्हलपमेंट सारखे एलिमेंट ना खंय जाय थंय केला आनी पयर कितें जालें पयर बोड्डा फर्स्ट पावसाक सामके रोड बॅक जालो मागीर आमी कितें डेडलायन दिली 8 दिसां भितर जर रोडार जर तुमी क्रॉस ड्रेन मारना जॉयंट करना ड्रेनेज जाल्यार आमी रस्तो बंद करतलो म्हणून त्या खातीर काम चालू केलें काम चालू केन्ना तेका क्युरींग ना कांय ना काल 2 इन्सिडेंट जाले बोड्डा क्रॉस हेजेर एक गाडी पडली व्हडली हाय हेजी ACC सिमेंटाची गाडी वयता त्या सोमते ड्रेनेज कॉलॅप्स जावन गाडी भितर.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.